Roberta Flack, the legendary Grammy-winning singer, dies at age 88 years old. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Roberta Flack, the US singer behind a string of hits including Killing Me Softly with his song, has died at age 88 years old. We are heartbroken that the glorious Roberta Flack passed away this morning, February 24, 2025, a statement from the spokesperson read. She died peacefully surrounded by her family. Roberta broke boundaries and records. She was also a proud educator.
Strumming my pain with his fingers, saving my life with his words, killing me softly with his song.
With a graceful presence, genre crossing versatility and ability to give a voice to the full range of loves and highs and lows, Flack is widely considered one of soul and R&B greatest singers of all times. Flack was born in 1937 in Black Mountain, North Carolina to musical parents. Her mother Irene was a church choir organist, meaning that Flack was introduced to a religious and classical music at an early age. She began playing the piano at age 9. By age 15, she was admitted to the Howard University to study music on a full scholarship, one of the youngest students to accepted in the school's history. At the age of 19, the new Howard graduate inspired to be an opera singer before taking up a teaching post in North Carolina. Alongside this work, Flack started performing in nightclubs during evening and weekends, weaving elements of classical blues and Motown and pop. The First Time I Ever Saw Your Face became her first major hit in the US. It spent 6 weeks at number 1 in 1972 and earned her a Grammy Award for Record of the Year in 1973. Killing Me Softly with his song earned her the same award in 1974, making Flack the first artist to win 2 consecutive years and made her a household name around the world. We here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our heartfelt and sincere condolences to her family and friends. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.